Welcome back, friends. Today we talk about paracetamol tablet. Paracetamol tablet is a medicine used to relieve pain and to reduce fever. It is used to treat many conditions such as headache, body pain, tooth pain, and the common cold. It works by inhibiting the release of certain chemical that causes pain and fever. Paracetamol is also called acetaminophen. Paracetamol may be prescribed alone or in combination with another medicines. You should take it regularly as advised by your doctor. It is usually best taken with food, otherwise it may upset your stomach. Do not take more or use it longer than recommended. Side effects are rare if this medicine is used correctly, but this medicine may cause stomach pain, nausea, and vomiting in some people. Consult your doctor if any or other side effects or you or do not go away. This medicine is widely prescribed and considered safe but is not suitable for everybody. Before taking it, let your doctor know if you have liver or kidney problems or are in using blood thinning medicines. It may affect the dose or suitability of these medicines. Let your doctor know about all the medicines you are taking because they may affect or be affected by these medicines. If we learn about use of paracetamol tablet, then paracetamol tablet is prescribed for pain relief, treatment of fever. Now we talk about benefits of paracetamol tablet. If we learn about in pain relief, then paracetamol tablet is a common painkiller used to treat headaches and pains. It works by blocking chemical messengers in the brain that tell us we have pain. It is effective in relieving pain caused by headache, migraine, nerve pain, tooth pain, sore throat, periods pain, arthritis, muscles pain, and many more. This medicine is very widely used and very rarely causes side effects if taken at the right dose. Take it as it is prescribed to get the most benefit. Do not take more or for longer than needed as that can be dangerous. In general, you should take the lowest dose that works for the shortest possible time. It is also the first choice of painkiller during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Now in treatment of fever, paracetamol tablet is also used to reduce a high temperature, I mean fever. It works by blocking the release of certain chemical messenger that causes fever. It may be prescribed alone or in combination with another medicines. You should take it regularly as advised by your doctor. Now we learn about how to use paracetamol tablet. Take these medicines in the dose and duration as advised by your doctor. Swallow it whole, do not chew, crush or break it. Paracetamol tablet is to be taken with food. What if you forget to take paracetamol tablet? If you miss a dose of paracetamol tablet, take it as soon as possible. However, if it is almost time for your next dose, skip the mixed dose and go back your regular schedule. Do not double the dose. That's all about paracetamol, friends. Thank you, friends. Bye bye. Take care.